The 2026 Toyota Highlander continues its legacy as one of the most reliable and versatile midsize SUVs on the market. With a fresh new look, improved technology, and a focus on efficiency and comfort, Toyota has once again delivered a vehicle that appeals to families, adventurers, and daily commuters alike. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Highlander gets a bold design update. The front fascia now features a more aggressive grille, sleeker LED headlights, and sharper lines that give the SUV a modern, premium appearance. Alloy wheels have been redesigned across all trims, and higher-end variants offer a new panoramic roof option. It's a confident-looking SUV that stands out without being too flashy. Under the hood, the Highlander now offers two powertrain options. The standard engine is a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing 265 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It offers smooth acceleration and better fuel economy compared to previous V6 models. For those seeking even better efficiency, Toyota continues to offer a hybrid version powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine mated to electric motors, producing a combined 243 horsepower. The hybrid variant delivers impressive fuel economy, with estimates around 36 mpg combined, ideal for long drives or city commuting. Inside, the 2026 Highlander is all about comfort, space, and technology. The cabin is quieter and more refined, with soft-touch materials and available leather seating. The three-row configuration comfortably seats up to 8 passengers, and the second-row captain's chair is available in higher trims enhance long ride comfort. The centerpiece of the interior is the updated infotainment system. Base models now come with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, while upper trims feature a massive 14-inch display with Toyota's latest software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, along with multiple USB-C ports throughout the cabin. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and available head-up display provide a high-tech driving experience. In terms of safety, Toyota doesn't compromise. The 2026 Highlander comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and traffic sign recognition. Optional features like a 360-degree camera and parking assist make driving and maneuvering easier than ever. Cargo space remains generous, with over 84 cubic feet available with the rear seats folded down. Whether you're hauling gear for a weekend getaway or making a Costco run, the Highlander delivers the flexibility modern families need. Pricing for the 2026 Highlander starts around $39,000 for the base model and goes up to about $52,000 for the fully loaded Platinum Hybrid trim. It competes directly with models like the Honda Pilot, Kia Telluride, and Hyundai Palisade, but continues to hold its edge with Toyota's reputation for reliability and strong resale value. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Highlander is a well-rounded, feature-packed SUV that blends performance, practicality, and technology into one attractive package. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade to a spacious and dependable midsize SUV in 2026.